From heavy-duty reach to paint-safe bristles, these scrapers cover all the frosty angles. In the Best Ice Scrapers, we break down the best picks to survive winter without scratching your car or losing time. Welcome to Today's Decision, where we help you make smarter buying choices with trusted product roundups and expert insights. If you're tired of flimsy plastic scrapers that wear down after one season, the CJ Fantastic Ice Scraper is your go-to for durability and performance. This one's built with a brass blade that's tough on frost but won't scratch your windshield. The manufacturer even guarantees it won't chip, rust, or damage glass, making it ideal for those who scrape daily through harsh winters. It's small but mighty, designed to give you quick results without the bulk. And with a compact size, it fits perfectly in your glove box or center console. It's 8.75 inches long and features a lightweight polystyrene handle that makes it easy to maneuver without adding wrist strain. The brass blade is where this scraper really stands out. It stays sharp, resists corrosion, and glides through ice without grinding against your window. It comes in 4 colors: red, blue, black, and yellow, great for families who need one in each vehicle. It's also perfect if you want to keep a spare around the house or office. While it doesn't come with a brush or other extras, the simplicity is part of what makes it dependable. Customers love that it clears windows cleanly without damaging them. It's often praised for how fast it works, even on thick frost. The lightweight feel is a plus during freezing mornings when your hands are cold and clumsy. Some users wished it had an integrated snow brush, but nearly all agree it's one of the best pure scrapers out there. This is the tool you reach for when you just need something that works. When you're dealing with a foot of snow and driving a large SUV or truck, short-handled scrapers just don't cut it. That's where the SubZero snow broom and ice scraper shines. It's built for reach, power, and performance. With a telescoping aluminum handle that extends up to 60 inches, this tool makes it easy to clear snow off roofs, hoods, and windshields without having to stretch or climb. It's not just about reach though. This thing is loaded with features designed for deep winter. It includes a wide blade scraper on one end and a snow broom on the other, letting you handle snow and ice without switching tools. The pole extends and locks quickly, so it's not wobbly or flimsy during use. The bristles are flagged for extra softness, which helps avoid scratching the paint while still pushing heavy snow. The handle grips are padded for comfort, even if you're wearing gloves. The aluminum body is strong but lightweight enough to wield without fatigue. Drivers with trucks, RVs, and SUVs say this tool is a game changer. The wide blade helps clear frost fast, while the broom sweeps off snow without making a mess. Users love the secure extension mechanism, though a few noted inconsistency in the handle locking across batches. The comfort grips get high marks, especially in freezing temps. It's a popular choice for anyone in snow-prone areas who needs to clear off more than just a windshield. If your car's paint job is something you take pride in, you'll want a scraper that doesn't risk leaving scratches behind. The AstroAI Snow Brush and Ice Scraper is engineered with soft touch materials that protect your finish while still giving you the power to blast through ice. It's also detachable, giving you extra flexibility to use the brush and scraper independently, which is a huge win when snow piles up fast. This tool is made from a combo of EVA foam, ABS plastic, and reinforced PVC, meaning it's built for extreme cold and won't crack or snap. The 27-inch reach is perfect for mid-size vehicles and sedans, and the 4.5-inch blade covers enough surface area to speed up the job. The bristles are designed not to trap debris, reducing the risk of scratches while brushing. The ergonomic EVA grip stays soft even at sub-zero temps, so you won't dread grabbing it out of the car. Plus, the 2-in-1 functionality helps reduce clutter in your trunk or back seat. Users love how gentle this scraper is on paint and windows alike. Many reviews highlight the comfortable grip and detachable design as standout features. It performs well in heavy snowfall and holds up through harsh winters without losing bristle shape. A few wish it had a heated blade, but most agree it's a great combination of functionality and vehicle protection. If you care about your car's appearance, this is the one to get. Check out Today's Decision for more cold weather must-haves, from scrapers to snow blowers. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss our next guide on tools that actually work. Have your own favorite scraper? Drop it in the comments.